Hi friends. I run my own machine shop, focusing on metalworking. But I also have a background in IT development. About a year ago, I created an app to help quickly calculate prices for turning and milling jobs. Hundreds of machinists are already using it, and thanks to their feedback, it's constantly updated. I gathered data from open sources to determine the market minimums and maximums. This allows the app to calculate a solid average market price. You simply enter the data for the upcoming job, and the app shows you the fair price for that part. No more scouring the internet for comparisons or guessing numbers in your head. That only leads to financial losses. With my app, you can instantly understand the value of an order. Plus, it's fully customizable. You can adjust the final price based on your skill level and equipment using the hourly rate or the currency multiplier settings. Once the price is set, just hit the Report button. You get a professional, itemized quote detailing every operation. You can send this directly to the client. This eliminates most arguments about why it costs so much. The client sees the breakdown and understands the work involved. If you do turning and milling in your own shop like I do, this app will become your indispensable assistant. I've left all the links in the description and the pinned comment. I sincerely wish you interesting projects and great earnings. Good luck.